Most people that think getting into the trades that pays well means years of waiting, years of apprenticeship, years of low wages before you see real money. That is true for some trades, but there's a category of trade careers where you can be trained, certified, and making over $60K in under 6 months. Today, I'm counting down 5 of them. Look, I want to be straight with you right out of the gate. Under 6 months means the training and certification path can be completed in that time frame. It does not mean you will be at a peak earning on day one. What it means is the door opens fast. You get credentials quickly. You enter the workforce as a legitimate candidate. And the income grows from there on a much faster timeline than a traditional apprenticeship allows. I've been in the trade for 30 years. I own a business, and I've hired people at every experience level. The careers I'm about to show you are the ones where a motivated person with no background can be standing in front of an employer with real credentials in under 6 months and earning over $60K within the first year or two. Number 1 on this countdown is a career where the government literally mandates the demand, meaning the work never goes away no matter what the economy does. Stay with me for that one. Before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe. All right, let's count it down. Number 5, hydrojetting technician, high pressure pipe cleaning specialist. Starting at number 5 with one that most people have never considered as a distinct trade career. A hydrojetting technician uses high pressure water, up to 4,000 PSI and above, to blast through clogs, clear grease buildup, and clean the inside of drain lines, sewer mains, and industrial piping systems. Restaurants, hotels, commercial buildings, municipal sewer systems, industrial facilities, every one of them need hydrojetting services regularly. And the equipment does the heavy lifting, literally. Here's what makes this one of the fastest entry points on this list. The training is almost entirely on the job. Most hydrojetting technicians start working at a drain clearing or plumbing company and learn the equipment in their first few weeks. The National Association of Sewer Service Companies, NASSCO, offers pipeline assessment certifications that add credibility and pay. The barrier to entry is generally low. The physical demands are manageable, and the emergency call structure of this work, clogged drains, don't wait for business hours, means overtime is built into the job. Pay runs $45K to $80K. The experienced hydrojetting techs running their own equipment and responding to emergency calls are at the top of that range. And here's the business ownership angle. A hydrojetting van, the right equipment, and a handful of commercial restaurants and municipal accounts generates serious recurring revenue. Emergency calls running $300 to $800 each at midnight. That's the market you are walking into. 6 months or less to get started. $60K reachable in year 1 for the motivated person. All right, next up. The cost of guessing, training for the wrong trade can cost you thousands of dollars and a year of your life. I've seen it happen. That's why I want you to check out Course Careers before you do anything else. They've got an AI career counselor named Coura, and she'll match you to the right fit based on your goals, your personality, your lifestyle, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction project management, construction estimating, architectural drafting, supply chain coordinator. She knows the difference, and she'll point you in the right direction. Then you start the free intro course, 0 experience required, and get a real feel for the career before you spend a dime on training. Students have gone from 0 to high-paying careers in as little as 4 to 12 weeks. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. Stop guessing. Let Coura do the math. Number 4, mold remediation technician, indoor environmental specialist. Here's one that has a surprisingly fast entry path and a pay scale that most people don't associate with the work. A mold remediation technician tests for, contains, and removes mold grown in residential and commercial buildings, water damage restoration companies, environmental consulting firms, and specialized remediation contractors all need qualified mold techs. And the demand is driven by something that never stops. Water intrusion into buildings happens constantly. Flooding, roof leaks, plumbing failures. Every one of them create potential mold situations that require licensed technicians to address. Here's the training picture. The IICRC Institute of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration Certifications offers the Applied Microbial Remediation Technician credential that is the industry standard. The AMRT course runs 3 days of classroom instruction, followed by an exam, combined with a basic OSHA 10 card and hands-on training at a remediation company. A motivated person could be credentialed and employed within 4 to 8 weeks. That's one of the fastest legitimate paths into a licensed trade specialty that exists. Pay runs $38K to $65K starting out. The experienced remediation technicians and project supervisors running large commercial mold jobs are clearing $70K to $100K. And here's the business ownership picture. A licensed mold remediation company working with insurance adjusters. Mold remediation is frequently an insurance claim, generates reliable high-margin revenue. Mold scares people, and they pay fast. That's a legitimate business insight. Under 6 months to credential. $60K reachable quickly. Strong business ownership upside. Now this next one. Number 3, sewer camera and inspection technician. Pipeline video inspection specialist. Here's one that most people have never heard of as a distinct career. And the entry path is one of the fastest on this entire list. A sewer camera technician operates the video inspection equipment that sends cameras through drain lines and sewer pipes to identify blockages, root intrusion, cracks, and other pipe defects. Every plumbing company, every municipal sewer department, and every property management company needs this service. And the person operating the camera does not need years of training to do it competently. Here's the training picture. Most sewer camera technicians learn on the job within the first 1 to 3 months at a plumbing or draining cleaning company. The NASSCO PACP Pipeline Assessment and Certification Program is the industry standard credential for pipeline inspection. The PACP course runs 2 days with an exam, combined with 3 to 6 months of field experience. A motivated person is fully credentialed and employable in this specialty faster than almost any other trade. Pay runs $40K to $70K. The experienced pipeline inspection technicians working for municipal utilities and large plumbing contractors are at the top of that range. The inspection report you produce, documenting pipe conditions with video evidence, is a legally defensible document that municipalities, insurance companies, and property owners rely on. That professional responsibility adds credibility and justifies the pay. A pipeline inspection van serving plumbing contractors and municipal clients generates strong recurring revenue with relatively low overhead. 3 to 6 months to credential. $60K, reachable fast. All right, next up. Quick break here. You already know how to work hard. The question is, are you getting paid for it beyond the job site? My brother Shane built the content growth engine specifically for people who want to turn what they know into income online. I joined as a student myself. Month 1, I had a $214 day. By month 5, I was hitting $519 days, and it just keeps building from there. All working less than 4 hours a week on it. No marketing background needed, no tech skills, just a system that works. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. Go check it out. Number 2, radon mitigation technician, residential and commercial radon specialist. Here's number 2, and this one earns its spot because the combination of fast credentialing, legally mandated demand, and business ownership potential is hard to beat at this entry speed. A radon mitigation technician installs the subslab depressurization systems that reduce radon gas concentrations in homes and commercial buildings. Radon is the second leading cause of lung cancer in the United States. EPA guidelines trigger mitigation requirements when radon levels exceed 4 picocuries per liter. And in many states, radon testing and mitigation disclosures is legally required during real estate transactions. Here's the training picture. State radon certification programs are the licensing pathway. Most states require completion of an approved radon mitigation course, typically 16 to 40 hours of instruction, plus passing a written exam and documenting supervised installations. The timeline from 0 to license in most states is 4 to 8 weeks. That is generally fast for a licensed trade specialty with legal mandated demand. Pay runs $38K to $62K. The experienced radon mitigation contractors who have built a client base serving real estate transactions, home inspectors, real estate agents, and property managers are the primary referral source, are clearing $80K to $120K running their own operations. Every home sale in the radon-affected market generates a potential mitigation job. Real estate markets turn over constantly. The demand is recurring, referral-driven, and legally supported. Under 8 weeks to credential. Low startup costs. Strong business ownership story. $60K reachable in year 1. All right.
Hey, quick break here. If you're interested in a free course on getting into the trades, then click this link below.
Number 1, the fastest path to a federally protected career I know of in the entire trades world. Here it is. Number 1, the closer, hazmat remediation technician, environmental cleanup specialist. Okay, here's number 1. And I want to make the case specifically for why this tops the list, because it is not just fast to credential. It has something that almost no other trade career on this list can claim. A government mandate that guarantees the demand permanently. A hazmat remediation technician removes and disposes of asbestos, lead paint, mold, and other hazardous materials from buildings undergoing renovations and demolition. Federal and state regulations require licensed technicians for this work. That is not optional. That is not something a property owner can skip to save money. When a pre-1980 building gets renovated or demolished, and there are tens of millions of these in the country, licensed hazmat technicians must be involved, period. Full stop. Here's the training picture. EPA asbestos abatement worker certification requires 4 days of classroom training and passing an exam. That's it. 4 days. OSHA 40-hour HAZWOPER training, the foundational safety credential for hazardous material work, can be completed in 1 week. Combined with state-specific licensing requirements, a motivated person can be fully credentialed and employed in 4 to 6 weeks in most states. I'm not aware of any other licensed trade specialty with this level of permanently mandated demand that can be entered this quickly. Here's the income picture. Pay for licensed hazmat technicians runs $40K to $75K. The project supervisors and foremen overseeing large commercial abatement jobs, hospital renovations, school remediation, industrial facility demolition are clearing $85K to $120K. And here's the business ownership story that I think is generally compelling. A licensed hazmat remediation company with proper insurance, the right equipment, and a reputation for compliant work has almost no competition at the license level. The licensing requirements is strictly enforced. Unlicensed operators cannot compete. And the demand pipeline, driven by the age of the U.S. building stock, is not going away in our lifetimes. Trust me on this one. 4 days to start the credential. 4 to 6 weeks to be employed. Federally mandated demand that no recession can eliminate. A business ownership model with almost no unlicensed competition. And a pay scale that clears $60K quickly and grows from there. That combination is why hazmat remediation technician is number 1 on this list. Look, fast and well-paying are not mutually exclusive in the trades. Hydrojetting technician, mold remediation tech, sewer camera inspector, radon mitigation tech, hazmat remediation technician. 5 careers, all credentialed and under 6 months, all paying over $60K on a realistic timeline, and all with real business ownership potential for the person who wants to go further. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment. Which one are you most seriously considering? I read every single one. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.
If you need to learn the trades, go to Jack of all trades.